today I'm going to do a little bit of a different kind of video for my channel. I'm going to take you guys with me house hunting. We're looking for a house, and I thought it might be kind of fun just to show you a little bit of what we're looking at. 5 different houses today in kind of the area that we want to be in. Let me show you the first house. Was an older home that was renovated. In this front was the foyer, and then to the side is a little bedroom. It's kind of small, but just a little bedroom on the main floor. And then back out to the foyer. It was a really big space, although I'm not sure how we would have furnished it. And this is the living room slash sitting area, I guess. And it had really cute details. We thought it was very charming. Here's the kitchen. To the side of the kitchen there, that door is the basement. It was a very low basement. We actually hit our heads, so that wasn't the best experience, but it was a nice kitchen. I remember there was something a little bit off about it. I think it was like the floors were uneven, or I think it was the ceilings were uneven. A little dining area, and then a main floor bathroom over in this spot. Nice bathroom. And then there is a downstairs laundry room. We'd have to get appliances for it. And then turning back around, in the foyer area are the stairs to go upstairs, and this was very narrow, and I think it would have been hard to bring furniture up the stairs. So to the right is a bathroom, and it did need some work. It wasn't the best looking. And then on the other side have these really pretty doors, and this was my favorite room of the house. I don't know, I just thought it was really nice looking, would be good for an office. And then over here is, I guess, the master bath, I guess you could call it, but it's pretty small, there's not much in there. And then the master bedroom, which then has like a additional room connected to it. I guess you could make this into a closet. The second house is actually the one that we were considering purchasing. It was in a neighborhood, and it had just been like renovated. It did have a decently nice kitchen. We did like how the kitchen was done, nice countertops, and new paint on the cabinets and stuff. There was a little half bath on the main floor with a sliding door. And then also was like a little office area. There's no closet, so it's not a bedroom, but it would have been a really cute office. And then upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And then in this closet up here, I believe, was the laundry. So here is the first bedroom. This is one of the 2 smaller rooms. And then on the other side is another room that was pretty much the same. The bathroom. And then this was the master bedroom, which was a little bit bigger. And it does have a walk-in closet over here, but it is a bit on the smaller side than we would have preferred. And then the bathroom was a little bit smaller than we wanted as well. The third house had so much potential to it. Like, I could just picture what we would do to it as soon as we walked in, but it did have a lot of things that we would want to change, and we would have had done a lot of work and like construction to it, and it would have been a little too much for us, I think, which is why we didn't go for this one. But it was really cool, and at the time I really liked it when we were looking at it. So the stairs aren't finished to the basement, and then this wall paint, I guess you could say, was like really textured and weird. So we would have definitely wanted to get rid of that and change that out. But this is kind of the living room, dining room area. And then outside there is a really nice deck, and it was fenced in, and it just was a good size in general as well. Really pretty, which is something that we wanted. We wanted a deck and an outside space. And then the kitchen. The kitchen we would have had to gut, tear down walls, and probably put up some walls. It was really tiny and not functional whatsoever for us. Yeah, it would have been a total tear down. Then we go into the area where you would come in from the garage, hang up coats, stuff like that. Another entryway to the house. And then is the main floor bathroom. This is the only main floor bathroom, and there are only 2 bathrooms total in this house, which was one of the things we didn't like about it. And then going up the stairs, there was this really cute nook. I loved this. This was one of my favorite things about the house. I thought that was so cool and different. And then upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, and like I said before, only 1 bathroom. So to the right is the master bedroom, and it has a nice little patio. And the closet. I loved the closet. It has this part of the closet and then an additional part of the closet back here. Then is the only bathroom upstairs. It is a good size, I will say that. I did appreciate that part of it, but I just wish there was another bathroom upstairs. And I think that if we would have wanted the house, we would have tried to put it into here. Like, we would have added a wall into here, because this was an insanely large room. The only problem is there is a window over on the side where we would have added it. So yeah, it had some really cool things about this house, but there was a lot of changes we wanted to make. This is the other bedroom. I'll show you the basement real quick. You can see the stairs need some work. So down here was actually a pretty good space, and it looks like they did do some drywall in this main part. For the most part, there's a couple of areas that didn't have it, but yeah, and they had some cool little storage space tucked away, and then back in here is where the laundry room is, which we would have had to do some things with to make it less creepy. And then on the other side there was a ton of storage as well. The next house was a bi-level house, which I didn't really want, so that was kind of a point against it. On the top level, it actually opens up to a big space where there's like a living room, dining, and kitchen area all in one. And then we have a deck out here. Here's a better look at the kitchen section. And then over here, I'm going to show you a couple of things. There's the coat closet. There's the main bathroom in this section. It's kind of just, your typical basic bathroom, which is fine. The linen closet, and then the master bedroom. So this was actually a pretty big room, and there was tons of closets, like regular sized closets everywhere. Just a little strange, but there was space for it, so that's good. And there was an additional door into the bathroom, which was a little bit odd. I didn't really love that, but I understand why, because it's the only bathroom there. Going back down to the lower floor, this is the landing, and then the lower floor area has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So the first bedroom is over here. Just, I don't know, your standard typical bedroom. And then there is a nice, actually good size laundry room. This actually was pretty impressive, and a good space, I feel like. And then is the bathroom next to it. This is the only bathroom down here. What I didn't like was the small shower. Like, I feel like you could barely turn around in there. And then it has this open area that you could have like a second living room or something, which was actually pretty nice. The outside backyard was really cool. There was lake access. And then here's the second bedroom. House doesn't have a basement. I think it was the only one that didn't have one, which is something we really wanted, so we didn't like that about it. And then next to the kitchen, this is kind of the kitchen area, and then next to the kitchen is closet, pantry, laundry back in there, and I think that's the garage entrance. Give you a better kind of go through, and then this is the living room slash dining room area. I did like that the ceilings were higher in here. That was cool. And then quick look outside. Over here there are two bedrooms. I feel like they were both pretty small in my opinion. Kind of a tight space for each of them. And then there's a bathroom over here as well. Good size actually. And the second bedroom over here. This one again, it's pretty small and kind of a tight space. And back through kind of the main living dining area. On the other side of the house is the master bedroom, and it was bigger and has like a door out to it, which was a little odd. And then there are two closets on either side of this wall here. It's kind of hard to show, and then a bathroom. Lighting wasn't very good, but you get the gist. We're thinking about one of them, and I'm trying to make a decision or whatever, but yeah, I thought that we'd just take you with you on our journey today. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and maybe I'll have some moving vlogs soon. We'll see. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.